Hi, my name is Lúbia Vinhas and I work at INPE, the National Institute for Space Research in Brazil. INPE is a research unit of the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovations of Brazil. It was created in 1961 to train the country in scientific research and technology development related to space. Over the years, INPE activities have expanded, and now we are working in the areas of space science, space engineering, Earth observation, and Earth system science. INPE is also the leading center for numerical weather forecasting in Brazil. We have 760 public servants and around the same number of collaborators, including contractors, postdoc researchers, and students. INPE is also an education organization. We offer 7 graduate programs with master's and doctorate degrees, and we receive around 150 new students per year. Most of our courses have the highest evaluation from CAPES, the largest and most important government agency that supports undergraduate and graduate courses in Brazil. We are also part of an internalization program promoted by CAPES, aiming at fostering cooperation between Brazilian institutions and institutions abroad. In addition to our research activities, we apply our results to run different operational programs, complementing our mission to serve the Brazilian society. For example, we monitor deforestation, degradation, and active fires in the Brazilian biomes using Earth observation data. We adopt an open policy for data and software by default. So here you have a set of links to access some of the datasets we produce, as well as information about our services. In particular, our remote sensing data center has an extensive archive of satellite images dating back to the 1970s. We currently generate 1.5 petabytes of images per year from the data received in our ground stations. And we generate around 1.5 petabytes more of Level 2 products and analysis-ready data. To grant access to this archive, we develop dissemination systems so that users can select and download data from a web portal or using API interfaces. In 2020, we distributed over 500,000 scenes from our archives. Regarding internet connectivity, INPE connects to the IPE network. The IPE network is the Brazilian academic network present throughout the country to offer quality internet access and support the transmission of large volumes of data for scientific projects and the development of new technologies. The IPE network connects Brazil to the Rede Clara that manages and operates Latin American countries' access to the Bella cable. In 2018, our ministry signed a cooperation agreement with the European Commission, expressing the intention to share satellite data based on reciprocity to provide mutual benefits for the parts. Later, the European Space Agency, the Brazilian Space Agency, and INPE signed a technical operation agreement to support the regional Copernicus mirror site implementation, which can now be realized through the implementation of the Bella cable. The data will be automatically downloaded from the international hub. This hub is available to those organizations outside Europe with signed cooperation agreements with the EU. INPE will develop a scenario operation, deciding the products that will be downloaded. We expect to have the minimum delay possible between ingestion time of the data in the international hub and its availability in the local hub. We know that the data volume will be huge, and our community is looking forward to having the regional hub operational. This initiative will improve our research in the use of Earth observation data for monitoring our environment. For example, we will study and develop methodologies to apply synthetic aperture radar images to monitor forest degradation and deforestation or oil spill in the ocean. We can also use our expertise in data dissemination to build customized APIs to access this repository, according to the characteristics of our national and regional community. Finally, we intend to generate new products and analysis-ready data using our in situ data. For example, to generate dense Earth observation data cubes that are vital to working with time series of data. The Bella link is an essential element to support opportunities for collaboration between Latin America and EU. At INPE, we are very excited to take part in this opportunity. Next, we will see a demonstration of the Sentinel data transferring from Greece to Brazil using the Bella cable. Thank you very much for your attention.